This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tomato ketchup is made, step by step, from fresh tomatoes to the bottle on your table.
Every single day, more than 100 tons of premium vinegar tomatoes arrive at our facility, fresh from carefully selected farms, picked at the perfect moment of ripeness. These tomatoes are transported under controlled conditions to preserve their natural flavor and color. As soon as they enter the factory, trained quality inspectors examine each batch, checking size, firmness, and freshness with precision. Only tomatoes that meet our strict standards are approved to continue along the production line, ensuring that quality is protected from the very first step of the process. Advanced optical sensors scan every single tomato as it moves through the sorting line, analyzing color, size, shape, and ripeness in real time. High-speed cameras and precision detectors instantly identify even the smallest imperfections, ensuring absolute consistency. Automated mechanical arms gently guide any substandard tomatoes away, while only the best specimens continue forward. This technology-driven process guarantees that each tomato meets our exact quality standards, delivering uniformity, freshness, and perfection before the next stage of production begins. After sorting, the tomatoes enter a powerful multi-stage washing system designed for absolute cleanliness. Here, they tumble through churning water baths as high-pressure spray jets remove dirt, dust, and surface residues from every angle. Each wash cycle is carefully controlled, using filtered water and precise timing to protect the tomato's natural skin and freshness. As steam rises around the stainless steel tanks, the process ensures that only perfectly clean tomatoes continue forward, pure, refreshed, and fully prepared for the next critical stage of production. Inside these massive industrial cookers, the tomatoes begin their transformation, heated with absolute precision to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The pulp slowly simmers under constant control as automated paddles rotate through the thick red mixture. Heat breaks down the tomato cell walls, releasing deep, natural flavors. Steam rises from the vats as the texture changes from crushed tomatoes into a smooth, rich pulp that forms the foundation of perfect ketchup. In our state-of-the-art control room, every batch of tomato pulp is monitored in real time. Wall-to-wall digital displays track temperature, viscosity, and quality metrics, while live camera feeds show every cooking vat in action. Our master blenders carefully adjust controls, ensuring the perfect harmony of sweetness, acidity, and texture. With precision and expertise, they maintain consistency across thousands of gallons, guaranteeing that every batch meets the exacting standards for flavor and quality before moving to the next stage of production. From the cookers, the bright red tomato concentrate travels through miles of gleaming, fully sanitized pipelines winding across ceilings and along factory walls. Pressure gauges pulse, valves hiss, and transparent sections reveal the rich, flowing mixture as it makes its journey. Every movement is carefully monitored to maintain consistency and quality, ensuring that the concentrate arrives at the blending stations perfectly prepared. This precise transfer process preserves the deep color, natural flavor, and freshness of every tomato, ready for the next stage of production. Now comes the heart of the process, the crucial blending stage where flavor is truly crafted. Automated dispensers add precise amounts of vinegar, sugar, salt, and our secret, carefully selected spices into the rich, vibrant tomato base. As the ingredients cascade and swirl together, they create mesmerizing patterns, transforming the tomato concentrate into the iconic flavor we're known for. This proprietary recipe has been refined and perfected over generations, balancing sweetness, temps, and spice to achieve the perfect ketchup every time. Every batch of ketchup undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure perfection. In our laboratories, experts carefully extract samples from the production line, measuring viscosity, acidity, and flavor with precise scientific instruments. They examine the deep red color against light panels, test consistency, and taste a small sample, ensuring every nuance meets our high standards. Through meticulous testing and refinement, we guarantee that each bottle delivers the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and freshness while exceeding all food safety regulations. In the final cooking stage, the ketchup flows through carefully controlled heating coils, thick and glossy, cascading in mesmerizing ribbons. As it warms, natural sugars caramelize, and the flavors of tomatoes, vinegar, and spices meld together perfectly. Every swirl, every shimmer of steam enhances the rich color and velvety texture, creating the signature taste we all recognize and love. This precise finishing step transforms the sauce into its iconic, irresistible form, ready to delight in every bottle. On our high-speed filling lines, hundreds of bottles race along the conveyor, empty one moment, perfectly filled the next. Precision nozzles descend with flawless timing, dispensing exact amounts of ketchup into each container down to a single gram. Operating at over 1,000 bottles per minute, the line moves with mechanical perfection, combining speed and accuracy in a seamless flow. This meticulous process ensures that every bottle delivers consistent flavor, texture, and volume, ready to reach tables around the world. After filling, each bottle moves through the capping and labeling system with flawless precision. Caps are securely sealed to lock in freshness, preserving the rich flavor and texture of the ketchup inside. At the same time, vibrant, colorful labels wrap seamlessly around every bottle, guided by high-speed rollers and instantly cured under UV light. Every station operates in perfect harmony, combining speed, accuracy, and attention to detail to ensure that each bottle leaving the line is ready for the shelf, looking as perfect as it tastes. From above, the scale of the packaging operation is truly breathtaking. Hundreds of workers and robotic arms move in perfect choreography, grouping, boxing, and palletizing thousands of bottles with incredible efficiency. Forklifts navigate carefully marked pathways, while massive LED panels illuminate the entire zone, highlighting the precision and speed of every movement. This final stage ensures that each perfectly filled and labeled bottle is securely packaged, ready to leave the factory and reach tables around the world, a testament to both craftsmanship and cutting-edge automation. Before any bottle leaves the facility, It undergoes rigorous final inspection to guarantee perfection. Workers in pristine safety gear and hairnets carefully examine each sample under bright LED lights, checking fill levels, label alignment, cap integrity, and the clarity of the product inside. Advanced X-ray scanners detect even the tiniest foreign objects, ensuring absolute safety and consistency. Every approved bottle is stamped and recorded, reflecting our unwavering commitment to quality. Because here, if it's not perfect, it simply doesn't leave the factory. After meticulous production and packaging, the finished ketchup is carefully loaded onto trucks, ready to leave the facility. Powerful forklifts lift and position pallets of branded boxers with precision, while the loading dock buzzes with coordinated activity. Each truck is sealed, logged in digital manifest systems, and prepared for its journey. From our factory to stores around the world, every bottle begins its mission, bringing the rich, authentic flavor of our ketchup to your family's table. As the sun sets, the full scale of our factory comes into view. Glimmering glass and steel, bathed in golden light. Smoke rises gently from the stacks, while meticulously landscaped grounds frame the modern facility. From the bustling production lines inside to the vast complex outside, every detail reflects our commitment to quality, innovation, and precision. This is where passion, technology, and craftsmanship come together to create the ketchup that reaches tables around the world, a testament to excellence in every bottle.
And that's how tomato ketchup is made. Ale, from farm fresh tomatoes to the bottle in your kitchen. It's a process we're proud of.